Hi, I'm Ryan with the R&R Law Group. Today we're continuing our conversation in regards to aggravated DUIs. Today we're talking about the aggravated DUI, which includes that you've had multiple prior DUIs, and this one is your third or subsequent DUI, which is what makes it aggravated. So this is statute ARS 28-1383A2, and what that means is that you've had at least two prior subsequent DUIs, and this one is your third or more DUIs. What that says, it's within the past 84 months or 7 years. The time calculation is from the date of offenses. So if a DUI case, say, took 2 years to work through the system and the conviction happened 7 years ago, but that date of offense was actually 9 years ago, then that date of offense is what's going to be used to calculate that timing in order to get you into that aggravated DUI category. One of the other important things to remember is that if you are incarcerated, either in jail or in prison, that time does not count towards that 84 months. So let's say you happen to be in jail for a 4-month period of time, then that 84 months is actually going to look like an 88-month look back, because that time that you're in custody does not count towards this. So again, this one is much like the driving on suspended license DUI for the aggravated. This carries a prison sentence with it. So even if you've never been in trouble or never had a felony conviction before and would normally be probation eligible, before you can start probation, you have to serve a term of at least 4 months in the Department of Corrections. Again, this is not jail. This is not where you can get work furlough, where you can get out of custody, you can go to work, and then at night you're just spending your nights in jail. This is Department of Corrections. This is prison. You don't get out during the day. You're not going to be able to work. You know, it's a very serious sentence for someone who has not been through the felony process before. If you've had more than 3 DUIs, or if this is your 4th DUI or more within the past 84 months, so again, that same time calculation is going to take place. But if this is your 4th DUI, your 5th DUI, or your 6th DUI within the past 84 months, then that time frame jumps up from 4 months up to 8 months. So again, it doubles when that happens. And then you're still going to be on probation. So, and as a term of that probation, you're going to be ordered to do alcohol counseling. And if you refuse to do alcohol counseling, then the judge can put you back into jail. And this is the normal jail. This is not prison on that sentence. But if you refuse to do that alcohol substance abuse counseling, then you could be sent to jail for up to 2 years, and if your probation is later revoked, that time doesn't even count towards any sort of time that would be revoked. So, you know, people ask us a lot of times, you know, what happens if you get multiple DUIs, or we've had, you know, clients that have had, you know, been going through some really rough times, and they've gotten, you know, multiple DUIs, and it was before even any of them ever got filed. And then they were looking at an aggravated DUI because 3 DUIs got filed back to back to back, and that's when they're first coming to us and seeing this. You know, it can be a very scary situation to find yourself in. But we've helped them through that. We can help you through this as well. So if you find yourself with an aggravated DUI, or if you've been contacted by an officer and you're under the suspicion of a DUI, maybe charges haven't come in yet, it's important to come in and talk to our office so that we can talk about what rights you have and the ability you have to move forward.